Are your students missing out on life-changing summer opportunities? Hi, I'm Stephen from Career Fit, and in this video I want to talk about how to make the most out of summer opportunities through internships and getting work experience. So whether you're guiding students towards their first internship or helping them land a summer job, it's crucial to understand the best practices for identifying opportunities, preparing applications, and realizing the value of real-world experiences. Let's jump in and see how we can empower our students to confidently step forward into the world of work this summer. So there are a myriad of options when it comes to finding summer work or internship listings, and all of these can really be found online. There are some opportunities and there are some benefits to having personal connections, but really all of the right companies and all of the different places that are looking for people, or looking for part-time work, looking for interns, looking for summer job vacancies, they all have listings online. So being able to go to a variety of different websites can be really beneficial to our students. First of all, we can start with the normal everyday jobs boards, the local and the national different websites that are there for companies to list their open positions and do searches for summer work, for internships, for entry-level type positions. And that's how students can really start to get ahead of the game. The other option, of course, is to go directly to some of the companies. So some of the bigger companies that exist who have summer internships and summer jobs available for young up-and-coming students, they have a whole section on their website. So depending on which kind of companies you want to be targeting, the students can go to those websites directly and search for summer internships or internships in general, and there'll be a lot of information about how they can apply and otherwise. The other way you can find out more is by using some of the network, either of your university or your school, or being able to ask questions of people in your class or parents of friends of yours, if they know anybody, if they have any kind of introductions that they can make through friends, family, or whatever, to be able to find the right summer jobs and the right summer internships for you. So as I mentioned, we can use a variety of different jobs boards, but there are other ways that these companies are reaching out to try and find people. The most obvious one is LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is a social network that is designed for professional people, for people who are looking to change jobs, to upskill, to be able to learn new things and find about new opportunities. So it's a perfect place for our students to start signing up, getting a LinkedIn account, putting a little bit of information about themselves, and being able to apply directly through LinkedIn to some of these companies that are looking to hire summer interns or looking for open positions. So obviously not every job is going to be listed on somewhere like LinkedIn, but if you're looking to get into the more corporate side of things or the more office-based side of things, a lot of these positions are going to be listed on LinkedIn. So it's a great place for students to start looking at where their career path is going to take them. There are other areas where people in different social media platforms, be it on Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn, a lot of these employers put out these notes every now and again for how students can apply for summer jobs or how people can apply for internships. So keeping an eye on some of the social media channels for your preferred companies or the idea of the industries that you'd like to get more information on, that's a great place to start, to be following some of these and seeing what they're sharing and what kind of opportunities they have coming up. So obviously getting a summer internship or getting a summer job ideally is going to be aligned with the student's career goals. Where do they ultimately see themselves going? What's the ultimate career that they're aiming for? What's the career path that they're on? It's not hopefully going to be just some summer job to get some money that has no tracking towards what their ultimate goal is. Obviously, there are plenty of opportunities and there's plenty of things that people can do in the summer to make some money if they want to travel or they want to do some other things, and maybe getting a simple summer job could be a good way of getting some extra cash and being able to have those options. But hopefully, if we're doing internships and if we're going for summer jobs that are leading towards our career goals, there is going to be some kind of alignment between what the work we're doing is, or the industry or the company that we're in, and what we see as an ultimate career goal for the students. So helping the students to understand, yes, there might be some really cool jobs working in bars or working in other things or working in cafes. They might be fun, but they might not be as aligned with the ultimate career path that they're thinking of. So trying to make sure that they juggle both of those things as they're deciding what to do with their free time in the summer. If you found this video useful and you'd like to see more content aimed at supporting career guidance counsellors, please consider subscribing. If you have any thoughts or comments about helping students to secure summer opportunities, or if you have any suggestions for topics that you'd like to see covered on the channel, please get in touch. I'd love to hear from you. I look forward to speaking with you soon.